Everyone's talking about AI in 2026. But the smartest network on Earth has been running for millions of years, and it's not digital, it's natural. Welcome to the Wood Wide Web, the underground fungal network that lets trees talk, share, and survive together. And yes, this is real science. Beneath every forest floor, tiny fungal threads called mycorrhizae connect up to 80% of trees into one giant biological internet. Think of it like fiber optic cables, but alive. Trees send chemical and electrical signals through these fungal highways to warn each other about insects, drought, or disease. A tree under attack literally alerts the forest, and it gets crazier. Older hub trees, sometimes called mother trees, can send carbon and nutrients to younger seedlings more than 100 feet away. It's not magic, it's cooperation. This network is so optimized that scientists are studying it to inspire bio-designed tech and robotics. Nature built a decentralized, self-healing, self-rooting communication system long before humans invented the World Wide Web. So as we step deeper into the age of artificial intelligence, remember, nature had its own AI first, and it's been whispering under our feet the whole time. Follow TechDudes for more science that hits different.